Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. So today, whatever I'm going to explain, it is a very, very important topic for NEET and boards also. Okay. So concentrate on the topic. You should not get any doubt here. Okay. So applications of PN junction diode and signal optical electronic device, digital electronics and logic gates. Yeah. Logic gates. I'm going to explain about the logic gates. So try to understand. So in the previous class, what we have discussed, see that what we have discussed in the previous class. So previous class we discussed about the transistor. So transistor, actually the diagram is very important. If you know the diagram, is it I explain the transistor acts as amplifier,
Yes, sir.
right? The diagram is very important. After the diagram, what is there in that topic? One is current gain. Current gain is nothing but change in collector current by change in base current is nothing but current gain. 1 minute, just I'm filling ink. I will explain clearly. Just a small idea that I will give. Just a diagram you have to practice. Diagram is very, very important. After the diagram, what and all that you have to mention there. Look at this. Just a diagram after means transistor acts as amplifier. So transistor acts as an amplifier. Here you should remember circuit diagram very clearly. So how to activate transistor? If you want to activate transistor, base emitter should be in the forward bias, collector emitter should be in the reverse bias. That we know, I explained. After the diagram, you have to explain about the diagram, what process is going there. Okay. After that, current gain. So current gain is nothing but denote letter beta. That beta equal to change in collector current by change in base current. Definitely, if we change a base current, base is nothing but input. If there is a change in base current, definitely there will be a change in collector current. That is called current gain. Okay, you have to write about the current gain. So how many times collector current will change when base current is changing means beta delta B equal to delta IC. So if there is a change in base current, collector current will change beta times the change in base current. That's what. Just send this side. You can understand clearly. Okay. After writing about that, in the diagram, you have to explain about input section and output section, so that you should be very careful when you are doing that. Kirchhoff laws we have to apply in the input section. Kirchhoff laws you have to apply in the output section. So when you are applying the Kirchhoff laws, yesterday I explained what are the Kirchhoff laws that we applied. Input section, tell me. Input section, VBB will be there. After minus IB, RB will be there. Minus VBE means emitter base voltage will be there. That is equal to 0. It is the input thing will be there actually. So VBB equal to IB, sorry, minus IB RB equal to VBE. Just VB. This VBE is the input voltage. Input voltage. That's so input voltage where will we apply? Emitter base junction we will apply. Emitter base voltage. That is called input voltage. Our input voltage will be that. Okay. Here what you should know, if there is a change in the base current, if there is a change in the base current, if there is a change in the base current, then there will be change. What will happen? This like, if diagram is there, we can get that. If there is a diagram, we will get that. Oh, I have to draw diagram again. Okay, okay. So diagram should be there. So in the diagram, it will be there is a signal. If there is no signal, what will happen? And signal, if it is there, what will happen? So here, base current. Here there will be a base. After we know that, what will happen? It is a rough diagram just, and it is collect emitter. This is nothing but voltage. Which voltage? Emitter base voltage. It is VBB. Now look at this. If there is no input, if there is no input means, like, if there is no signal, if no signal means VBB, it will become VBE. That's what. This is equal to this is when there is no signal. If there is a signal, then there will be a change here. About that change, I explained. Please concentrate on that. Very easy. We have to add here signal. If we add here signal, then definitely there will be a change in the VBE. So see that clearly, try to understand that. If you have any doubt, let me please ask me. I will explain. And look at this today's topic, very small topic. We can get marks very easily if you understand this topic, even in NEET and other competitive examination also. That topic is logic gates. So we are going to discuss about the logic gates. Today's topic is logic gates. We know that what is gate. Gate is nothing but when you close the gate, nothing can come out, come in. If you open the door, if you open the gate, so anything can go out. Okay, so gate is nothing but to stop or allow to flow. Gate will allow or stop the flow. That is anything it can be. That is the general that is. So here, look at this. What are the logic gates? Logic gates. Logic gates. Actually, logic gate is a not device. Okay, it is not a device. I am telling you, it's not device. Something it is. It's not device. Okay, it is. It is not device. It is not device. It is a circuit. It is a circuit. Okay, it is one of the circuit here. We will connect here. So the circuit that we will design, when we are designing in the circuit, what will happen means two or more inputs will be there. Only one output will be there. Two or more inputs, how many? If you give, output will be only one. Just a minute. Banu Prasad out. Banu Prasad and Chirag. Okay, it is a circuit. Okay, in logic gate, in logic gates, two or more, one, two or more, two or more inputs, two or more inputs, but only one output. That is the specialty. How many inputs if we give also, only one output will be there. So that output also either high or low. High is means 1, low is 0. So 0 and 1. So logic gates, digital numbers, 0 or 1. 1 is high, 0 is low. Suppose if you on the switch, that means high 1. If you off the switch, nothing will be their output. So 0. So on condition, high in output will be there. So input also high, like that. So logic gates is nothing but it can be high or low output. Either output can be high or output can be low. Inputs, two or more inputs. You can give two or more inputs, but output you will get only one, either high or low. That about the logic gates. Prisha, did you understand what is logic gate? Logic gate is not a device, it is a circuit, okay? Prisha, am I clear?
No, sir.
Didn't understand?
No, sir.
Come on, ma. See, logic gate is not circuit first, okay? It is just, sorry, logic gate is not device, it is just circuit, okay? It is one of the circuit. So in this circuit, what will happen means, two or more inputs will be there. We can give two or more inputs, but output result you will get only one. That output is either high or low. High is 1, low is 0. Clear? Prisha, now
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Now suppose, okay, we will feel like, you know how to start the bike? Do you know how to start the bike? Any idea?
No, sir.
So if you want to start the bike, anybody has idea how to start bike?
Sir, switch.
So what we have to do? So we have to hold the brake and we have to hold starting button, right? Self.
Yes, sir.
If you don't hold the brake, if you try to start, it will start?
No, sir.
No, actually it won't. No, it won't. Okay. So brake and self start button. If you press, so two inputs we are giving. What are the two inputs? One is brake we are applying and one is self start that we are applying. So output, what will happen? Bike will start, right? Are you getting my point? So that is one of the logic. That is clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
So that is one of the logic actually. So like that. So now I will on the switch. If I on the switch, fan is okay. Fan or light bulb, it can glow. So that is also logic. I am just, if I on the switch, light can glow. If I off the switch, light can stop. So that is also logic. Like that only here, you can give two or more inputs, but you will get only one output. So we can say that starting of bike, that here there we will give two inputs, but output is bike will start. That is the output. So logic gates will be like that. There is a logic. So now clearly you can understand how many types of logic gates are there. Prisha, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So logic gate, the basic logic gates means the logic gates which are there in our syllabus, and basic means first logic gates. So basic logic gates. So basic logic gates are first one. What are the basic logic gates? There are three types of basic logic gates are there. One is OR gate, OR gate. I will discuss about each and everything, don't worry. And second one is AND gate, AND gate. And third one will be NOT gate. So there are three gates. One is OR gate, OR, AND gate, and NOT gate. About these three things that we are going to discuss. These are the basic things. After these two more gates are there. Total 5 gates. Whatever the examination is there, that you can find easily if you understand clearly this topic. Okay, look at this. Likita, am I clear, ma? It is very important to you, especially.
Yes, sir.
So how many gates are there? Basic gates?
3.
One is?
OR gate, AND gate, and NOR gate.
Okay,
Not gate.
NOT gate. Okay. Now tell me, Is it logic gate is a device?
It's a circuit.
It is a circuit, okay? So logic gates, how many inputs that we can give?
2 or more inputs.
But output, what will you get?
Only one output.
One output you will get. Output is always one. So how it is possible? If you want to know, come on. We are going to discuss about the first gate, that is OR gate. What is the process is happening in the OR gate? We will find OR gate. First one, OR gate. OR gate. So what is OR gate means? So first I will draw the block diagram for it. So that block diagram is, this is what? Definitely you have to remember this. You have to remember the diagram. No doubt in that. So here two inputs are there. One is A, I will give, one is B input. Then output I will get, that I will take Y. So Y equal to, I'm going to write A plus B. So I will write Y equal to A plus B. So the sum of the inputs that you will get as a output in the OR gate. So in the sum of the books, you can see even like this also. Like this also. So it is also OR gate only. Don't get any confusion. Same thing. A plus B. So there are two inputs. Output I got only one. That is sum of the two inputs. Okay. So to remember the OR gate, remember this thing. This is the OR gate. Remaining gates, when you are observing, you can find, don't worry. So remember this. Not this OR, it is different OR. Either this or this you can draw. Did you understand the diagram? So it is a symbol. Prisha, am I clear the symbol?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look at this. Now look at this. Clearly try to understand. So in the logic gates, output either low is nothing but 0, and high is nothing but 1. Only digital, two numbers will be there, 0 or 1. 0 is low, high is 1. 0 is low, high is 1. So output always you will get either 1 or 0. If you get 0, low output. If you get 1, high output. Am I clear? This is what the thing that you have to remember. Just a minute. Ritesh, sorry, Rachana out. Now she's joining. Prisha, clear? These two things just remember, okay? Output you will get either high or low. That is what you have to remember.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now look at this. Suppose I given here 1 and here 0. That means what? 1 is high, 1 is low I given. But how much output that I will get? 1, right? 1 I given, 0. 1 is high, 1 is low. But finally output I got high. Am I clear? Likita?
Yes, sir.
Understand clearly, ma?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I given 0, low input. Both are low. Output what will you get? 0 plus 0, how much? Tejaswini, am I clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I given B is 1 and A is 0. How much output that I will get, Prisha?
1, sir.
So it's 1. So you can understand that. And I given 1 and 1. Prisha, I think she can't hear. Yeah. Likita,
Sir,
I given 2 outputs are high. What I will get? Sorry, 2 inputs are high. What I will get as the output?
1 only, sir.
1 only. Because I told you, no, either 0 or 1. If you give 2 inputs are high, even the output you will get high only. If you give 2 inputs are low, you will get output also low. If input is high, one input is low, even though you will get high input only. Okay. So that is what here it is happening in the logic gates, in the first OR gate. So I will show you the truth table here. Truth table. See. So what is truth table? First, just write truth table. Truth table. So truth table, it is defined as the table which gives which gives which gives the output state, the output state, like output stage, output state, the gate. It is defined as the gate which, sorry, the table which gives the output state. Output state, what is the state of the output? Is either it is high or low. Okay. Output state for all possible for all possible inputs, for all possible inputs. So all possible input all possible combination of inputs also we can write. Okay. All possible combination of inputs. All possible combination of input. So now look at this. I'm going to draw truth table for OR gate. So truth table. You will get idea clearly now here. Look at this. A and B are inputs. Output is Y. So Y is equal to A plus B. So OR gate output is A plus B. That's what you have to remember. OR gate output is A plus B. Now both are low inputs. Definitely output also low. Because 0 plus 0 you won't get 1. 0 only you will get. So one is high, one is low. You will get high. One is low and one is high. Even though you will get high. One is high, one is high. Both are high. You will get high. So except this condition, remaining in the all combinations, output you will get high only. So it is the truth table. It is giving output for the combination of all possible inputs. For the combination of different inputs, output you will get. That is called truth table. Likita, am I clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Prisha, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right? Symbol. Formula for OR gate is A plus B. I written A plus B. If I give 3 inputs, then A plus B plus C, that's all. If I give 4, A plus B plus C plus D, like that. How many inputs you will give? But output is only 1. That output is either you will get 0 or 1. Okay, basing on that. So truth table is defined as it gives the output for the all possible combinations of inputs. That is called the truth table. So this is about my first gate, that is OR gate. In the OR gate, except one condition, remaining all conditions, I will get high output. Dhanush, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Can I? Prisha, can I?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the second gate? What is the second gate? Hello? Tejaswini?
And gate, sir.
AND gate. A, N, D. AND gate. So AND gate formula is, you will give the 2 inputs, you will get output. So formula for AND gate is Y is equal to A and B. A into B. A and B. Okay, this dot is representing A and B. So output you will get A and B. That is the combination. So symbol. Symbol is, this is the symbol for AND gate. Two inputs, A and B. Output will be there. That output is Y is equal to A and B. A and B. Now look at this. Here output is A and B. If both inputs are given low, so 0 into 0, output how much you will get?
0.
0. So 1 is high input, A is high, B is low I given. Output how much will you get?
0.
0, because 1 into 0 is 0. A is 0, B is 1 I given. So 1 into 0, 0. Now 2 inputs I given high. How much output that I will get?
1.
1. So this is my AND gate. This is my AND gate. Can you say one example for when you are giving one input is high, one input is low, but output also you are getting low? Any one example can you explain? Can you give an example that one input is high, one input is low? If we give, even the output is low. Dhanush, can you give an example, Dhanush? Harsh,
Yes, sir.
can you give one example that one input is high, one input is low? Even the output you will get low. Any example? Come to bike. Think about bike. Just if I apply power start, like, right? Self start button, even the bike won't start. I'm giving one out input, no? But even it is not starting. Or if I apply only brake, even it won't start. I have to give two inputs high, then only output will be high. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Logic. So this is about the AND gate. And the formula is A dot B. Remember. Prisha, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One more gate. What is the one more gate? One more gate is NOT gate. NOT gate. So NOT gate symbol. See that what is the NOT gate symbol? This symbol, if you are seeing, it is NOT gate. NOT gate having only one input and one output. One input, one output. If you don't draw this much also, just input, output. Again, you will feel everything is same. So one input, one output. Okay. So NOT gate formula, y is equal to y dash. Oh, I can say. Y is equal to y dash is nothing but opposite. I will get reverse. Look at this. Okay, one input, one output. Now, one input and one output. So it won't be there. Only one input. That is the reason A. It is not there. Input is 1, output also 1. So if I give, it is A and it is y dash. Okay, why I am saying y dash? If I give 0 here, output I will get 1. If I give 1 here, output I will get 0. So it is y is equal to y dash here. That bar is representing that opposite nature. If you give input is low, output you will get high. If you give input is high, output you will get low. So can you say one example for that? When you give input is low, but even the output that you will get. If you give output, even the input, sorry, if you give input, even though you will get output 0. Can you give an example? Hello? Dhanush? Tejaswini?
Sir.
Any idea, ma, that you will give input is low, output is high?
No, sir.
No? You know, right? Street lights? You know, street light?
Yes, sir.
On the solar plates will be there. Did you see?
Yes, sir.
Will be there, right? Now daytime, solar plates will gain more amount of heat. That time lights will be on or off?
Off.
Off. But night time, solar plate won't get any amount of energy, but it will be.
Glowing.
So when input is high, it is off. When input is low, it is on. Can we say that is a logic?
Yes, sir.
So like that. Prisha, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
These are my basic logic gates, and symbols definitely you have to remember. So basic, in the basic logic gates, one is or, and not. Or means A plus B, and means A and B. So dot. Not gate means reverse. If you give input low, output high. If you give input high, output low. So it will be like that. This is about not gate. And two more gates are there. These are called basic gates. By using these basic gates, we will get two more. There are four, but in our syllabus that are not there. Only two more gates that I will explain, even NEET also. That is enough. Look at this. Combination of basic gates gives the different gates that are we are going to discuss. So first one is NOR gate. NOR gate. The fourth one is NOR gate. It is not basic gate. It is the combination of the basic gates. So NOR gate means one not plus OR. Not plus OR is called NOR. So NOR gate is the combination of not plus OR. Prisha, am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
not plus OR is nothing but NOR gate. Okay, it is the combination of two basic gates. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So not gate. So I will take OR gate. Tell me, is it the OR gate symbol? Is it the OR gate symbol or not?
Yes, sir.
OR gate symbol it is. Okay. And I am adding, it is OR gate. It is OR gate. To this OR gate, I am going to add NOT gate. What is the NOT gate symbol? This is the NOT gate symbol, right? Clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
So this combination, I am going to draw every time. It is very difficult to draw like this. So that NOR gate symbol, I am going to give you. It is the NOR gate symbol. It is the NOT gate that we have given here. So it became NOR gate. Inputs A, B, output will be here. A, B inputs, output will be here. Am I clear? Am I clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
So I will take whatever the result is coming here, that is y dash I will take, and it is y I took. It is y. It is y. It is y dash, because look at this. Now we will draw the circuit like truth table. A, B, y dash, and it is y. So y equal to y bar. We know not gate, what will happen? What is the not gate? If input is high, output will be low. Output is high, like, sorry, input is high, output is low. Input is low, output is high. That is what the not gate. Okay. Now, first it is when we have given, it will be the result. So I given 0 and 0. NOR gate will get high output or low output in the OR gate. It is OR gate result. OR gate it is. It is not gate. So combination only is called a NOR gate actually. Okay. So what I want to say, yeah, I will say like this only. So when two inputs are low in the OR gate, will you get output is high or low? Fast.
Low, sir.
Low, right? So low. Here,
High.
high. Look at this. Why? Because it is opposite always. If you give, so whatever the result is there, that result is a input to this NOT gate. It is NOT gate. Whatever the result you are giving, so two inputs, that input result is here. That input result you are giving to NOT gate. So NOT gate, what will happen? It will give ulta value. Prisha, clear ma?
Yes, sir.
Now one is high, one is low. I given to OR gate. Output I will get high or low. One input is high, one input is low. I given to OR gate. OR gate result will be high or low.
1.
1 means high, right?
Yes, sir.
But here,
0.
because that one you are passing to NOT. NOT is when you give here high, it will come low. So 0. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now one is 0 and one is high. OR gate, you will get high or low?
High.
High. Here what will you get? Low.
Low.
So one is high, one is high. It is also,
High.
but it is what?
Low.
So this result is called NOR gate result. Why? Because this OR gate result, whatever it is there, that we change. So NOR gate. So NOR gate will give this type of result. Okay. So simply, if you forgot this also, no problem. It is NOR gate's result. When two inputs are low, you will get high. NOR gate having two inputs and one output. Individually, if you write also, no problem. But here it is better. That is time taking process. Now look at this. Two inputs are low, output is high. One input is high, one input is low. So output you will get low. So like that it will happen. Am I clear? Tejaswini, am I clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right?
No, sir.
So NOR gate means reverse of OR gate. OR gate, whatever you will get the result to that opposite result only NOR gate. Means whatever the result you will get in the OR gate, opposite if you write, that will become NOR gate. That is called NOR, opposite of OR. Okay. Prisha, okay?
Yes, sir.
Harsh, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
And one more gate. NAND. NAND. Not plus AND gate is nothing but NOR gate. Number 5, NOR gate. Sorry, NAND gate. NAND gate is nothing but combination of NOT and AND. So AND gate, take AND gate will be, this is the AND gate. We know that AND gate symbol it is. That result you will give to NOT gate. Then this total is nothing but NAND gate. So, or also we can write it is A, it is B, it is Y dash, it is Y. This result will be Y bar dash. What are the result you are getting? To that opposite only you will get. So simple diagram for NAND gate. NOR gate is result Y is equal to A plus B bar. NAND gate is A dot B bar. And no, A and B, but it is NAND. Opposite of AND is NAND. Opposite of AND is NAND. So it is nothing but it is not AND. That's what it's telling. Not AND. So AND gate opposite only, not NAND gate. We will see. Truth table. Two inputs, one output. Sorry, 0, anything you can give. 0 and 0, what will you get here? Tell me. Anybody? 0 and 0, if I give, what will you get?
One, sir.
1. Actually, you'll get 0, but it is 0 opposite. 0 and 1, what will you get? What will you get? Chirag, I can't hear you.
0, sir.
0 into 1, 0, but 0 bar, so 1. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So 1, 0, and here what will you get? Here,
1, sir.
1. 1, 1. Here what will you get?
0.
That is the result of NAND gate. Prisha, am I clear that? Hello? Some of the problems also. Harsh, okay?
Yes, sir.
One small example that, okay, I will. Prisha, clear, ma? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. See, if 2 are 0, output how much? 2 are open, means low inputs. Output how much? Hello, Nikita?
Sir,
2 inputs are low. Okay. Output how much?
0.
One input is high and one input is low. Output how much?
Sir, it's OR or AND gate, sir.
That you have to say by using the diagram. Now you have to say, is it OR gate or? That's why I am saying. So when the 2 inputs are low, output also low. Now one is low, but even though you are getting low. If one is high and one is low, you are getting. If 2 inputs are there, then which gate it is? Which gate it is?
AND gate.
That's all. AND gate. AND gate, what is the meaning? When the 2 inputs are high, then only you will get output 1, output high. That is what the AND gate. So it is AND gate. A into B. 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, but 1 into 1. So both are 1s, then only output is 1. Can I? One more. Now tell me, this circuit diagram represents which gate? This circuit diagram represent which gate? Prisha.
Yes, sir.
Which the circuit diagram represent which gate? If I give, no, I can't hear you.
There is no battery on.
Yeah. You should give. Okay.
Sir, is it OR gate, sir?
Yes, OR gate. Why? Because any one input is high, output also high. If you close also, output will be there. Any one if you close also, output will be there. So it is OR gate. Clear, ma? One more. which gate is produced by the combination? This combination, which gate it is providing? Which gate it produces? What is that result? Which gate will you get? Which gate result that you will get by seeing the diagram?
OR gate, sir.
Which one, ma? Which one? One, Prasad? What is the result?
A plus B, sir.
Yes, ma. A plus B. Suppose feel like I have given one here, I have given one here. So what I will get here? 0, 0. Right? Oh. Yeah, 0, 0. Oh, 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 oh. It's wait, gate. With 0, sorry, 1, 1 I given, right? Okay, 0, 0. So 0, 0, if you give to that, then you will get 1. 0 plus 0, you are getting 1. One, 1, 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0 if you give, 1, 1. 1, 1 if you add, you should get. One, 0. 1 and 0 I given. 0, 1, 1 I will get. So yeah, you will get 1. Yeah, it is OR gate. It is OR gate, okay? It is NOR gate, NOR gate, NOR, two NOR gates combination. You will get to one more NOR gate, then you will get OR gate. One more question. What is the result?
Sir, y1 is a plus b.
Y1 equal to a plus b. Y2?
A plus b plus c.
A plus b plus c. Then
A plus b plus c plus d.
a plus b plus c plus d. So it will be like that. Identify the gate from which the Boolean expression. Just a minute, I will fill the ink. Draw truth table for it. Input A, B. Output will be A and A plus B. That output after we have whatever we have given, that will be A plus B, Y plus A. So we are giving Y plus A. So take it as a Y dash. So Y dash plus A that we are giving, then output. It is the output for this circuit. It is the input for this circuit. It is the input for this circuit. Now if I give 0 and 0, it will be 0. 1, 1, sorry, 1, 0. It is nothing but 1. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. You will get 1. It will be how much? No. So 0 plus 0 is 0.
Sir, that is y dash dot a.
Hmm. Y dash. So 0.
Sir, it's not plus, sir. It's AND gate, no?
Yeah, it's AND gate. It is OR gate, no? It is the OR gate symbol. So OR gate is correct. Right? It is OR gate only, no? It is AND gate. Okay. Directly write AND gate. So y equal to AND gate if you write now. So yeah, y dash. Okay. Sorry. So y equal to y dash a. That is the input. Is the AND gate, no? So dot. So 0 into 0. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 0. 1 into 1 is 1. No. Okay. Sorry. Only a you have to compare. So 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 1, 1. That's what. Next. Right? Y dash is 0. Dot 1. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. That's what the thing that you will get output. Zero into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. That's what. One more question. Homework. Homework question. Calculate the output. Which gate is produced in the above combination? Chirag, I can't hear you. I think there is a problem.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
I can.
Sir, 1 and 2 is AND gate or OR gate, sir?
All are NOR gates only. NOR,
gate.
NOR.
Okay,
All
sir.
are NOR gates. Symbol itself NOR gate. If they give this type of mark, it will become NOR. To this symbol, if it is like this, this is NAND. So remember.
Sir,
Ask, tell me.
sir, NOR gate should have 2 inputs, no, sir?
NOR gates should have
2 inputs.
no problem. Inputs, how many it can be? Output,
In one input, how you will do, sir? I don't understand.
one input, one output.
Sir, that is two input.
Oh.
Sir, both are common. That's why signal we go.
Yes, it's a combination of two. Which gate will you get?
AND gate, sir.
So when we are writing like y is equal to AB, y is equal to A plus B, and y is equal to y dash. So like that we are writing, no? So these are called Boolean equations. That equations are called Boolean equations. Remember that. So that is what about the logic gates, huh?
Sir, chapter is completed, sir.
Yeah, one more it is there, like transistor acts as a oscillator, it is there, that I have to explain to you. So by Saturday, last and final class. It's tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last class for this lesson. Okay. That is transistor acts as a oscillator. It is there in the syllabus. I'm not finding that. It's there. class some PN junction diode, semiconductor diode we completed. Application of junction diode and rectifier we completed. Special purpose of PN junction diodes, electronic junction device, digital electronics and logic gates. Logic gates today we have completed. Zener diode is not there and their characteristics what nothing is there. So Zener diode as a voltage regulator. So Zener diode is not there, so that only transistor. Once again I will explain. Transistor acts as a switch, transistor acts as an amplifier, and transistor acts as a oscillator. The three questions once more I will repeat in this tomorrow's class, so that even whatever we have discussed in this total lesson, once again quick review I will give, so that we can complete the total portion. So next class what I am going to teach, that I will prepare another timetable and I will send, because it's a combination of first year also. What are the lessons I'm going to explain in the first year, means most important lessons and topics that I'm going to explain. So I will give you the timetable also. Prisha, any doubt here?
No, sir.
Once practice, Prisha, even, okay?
Yes, sir.
So revision classes, don't miss the revision classes, okay? Already
Yes.
JE date also they announced, Chirag, right? Banu Prasad. Banu Prasad, prepare second year properly, okay? First year also I will give revision, because the date they announced, no? So right, Tejaswini, okay?
Sir,
They announced the JE date also, right? Are you going to
yes,
write?
yes, sir. Sir,
Tell me.
sir, can you tell what are the logic gates in the circuit, sir?
All are NOR gates only.
Okay.
All are NOR gates.
Then how did you get NAND gates, sir, as answer?
It is the combination. It is the combination of two inputs. Okay, it is the combination of two inputs. Whatever you will get answer, that will be reverse of OR. All are NOR gates only. See that?
Okay.
Yeah. Let me check. All are NOR gates on. NOR gate. Yeah, all are. Okay, so we'll see in the next class. Tomorrow is the last and final class. That is transistor acts as a oscillator. Last and final topic. And even I will revise everything. Okay, just try it. If you don't get, I will explain tomorrow. Okay, see you in the next class.